Hey guys, so the giveaway is closed. I got a total of 489 comments. I took all those comments and put them into a Word document, separating them by natural roots and Haitian roots. Natural roots, I got a total of 471 comments, and Haitian roots, I got a total of 18 comments. So I'm going to go to random.org, type in 471. Ooh, that's not a 1. 471, and that's comment 299. So I'm gonna go to my natural roots and look for comment 299. Comment 299 belongs to Kristen 1. So let's see if she is a subscriber. So I'm going to go to my channel. There are my subscribers, and I'm going to search for you. So I'll probably speed this part up. Let's see. But I'm pretty sure you are a subscriber. Oh my Lord, I'm about to go through all these people. Seriously. Okay. Whew. Lord help me. There you are. You are a subscriber. Congratulations, Miss Kristen 1. You have won the Natural Roots giveaway. And let me see, $2.99. So let me highlight that so I remember that you are a winner. So please send me all your information Friday by, I'm gonna say 1:30, because I get off of work at 2. So I'm gonna say 1:30, Friday by 1:30, so then I can at least get it out that day right after I get off. Okay, so then we're gonna go back 18. We're gonna back to random.org. 18, generate. We're on 15. Go here and 9188 Jenny. So we're gonna go to my email. 9188 JENNI. And you are a subscriber. So congratulations to 9188 Jenny. Please send me your information so I can get your giveaway prize for Haitian Roots out to you by Friday as well. Friday by 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. I just want to say thank you to everyone that entered. I will have more giveaways as time allows me, money, whatever. Okay, so again, thank you so much to everyone that participated. Do not be discouraged. Like I said, I will have more in the near future for you guys. Okay, so thanks again, and talk to you good people later. Peace.